Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kelly. This is KBellaBeauty, and I am here with another 3-in-1 tutorial. I actually haven't filmed one in a really long time. Like, I don't even remember the last palette that I filmed a 3-in-1 tutorial with. But I do have a whole playlist, so I'll link that above right here. And if you're interested in seeing 3 different looks with one palette, then this playlist might be for you. But today we are talking about the Norvina palette by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. And I know this palette, it's newly released, but it's not like brand new at this point. Like, I'm pretty sure it came out in the beginning of August, so now it's a month old. Happy 1-month birthday to the Norvina palette. But I figured, better late than never, because if you have this palette, you're probably, like me, still searching YouTube to see different tutorials and reviews on it. So I thought, you know what? I would go ahead and dig into this palette. I created 3 different looks. I did this pink look here, I did a purple look, and then I did a neutral look, because although the pinks and purples do pop out at you, this does still have neutral colors that you can dip into to create neutral everyday looks. And at this point, I have now used every single shade in this palette. So if you're interested in seeing a full review on this, let me know down below. At first I thought I was going to create one, but then I was like, I feel like so many reviews are out and like new palettes are coming out, so do people still want to see reviews on this? So let me know down below if you want to see a full review on this palette. Otherwise, I'm going to try to keep this intro short and sweet. So if you are interested in seeing 3 different looks that I created using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, go ahead and keep on watching.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. I am different. Time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting so much differently. Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think is what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves. Exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are reacting
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Season.
time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. On changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing.